Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to create a crown or a halo out of baby's breath. Here I have some pink tinted baby's breath. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take your baby's breath, put them into smaller pieces, take a piece of wire, wrap it around the bunch of baby's breath, fold it over, and then take some floral tape, wrap it up. And you're going to want to create many of these, enough so that it fits your head. Create about maybe 10, begin there, and if you need more, create more. But you're going to need to create a lot of these because we will be braiding them together, or kind of connecting them together, and to create this halo or this crown headpiece. So just make these as many as you believe you need. If you need more, create more. And we will show you how to put them together. Take the measurement of the head of the person who is going to be wearing this crown. Just take the measurement and based on that create your halo. Now we're going to begin to assemble our hairpiece. So just take two pieces, put them one under, a little bit below the other, and just wrap those two together. Simple. And then you're going to take another piece and just put it right under. And you're basically just going to continue this pattern. Take one, put it under. And continue that pattern. It's very easy, very simple, and very quick. You can put smaller pieces at the back and bigger pieces in the front, and also have your measuring tape out by you, so that you can measure as you go along to make sure you don't make it too short or too long. Continue using this technique, put one a little bit below the other, wrap it together, and continue doing that. It becomes a bit challenging when you get to the last one, but once you do, just kind of flip it over your arms like you see here. And it's pretty simple, very easy, very fast. This took me no more than 5 minutes. And it's, as you can see here, it actually broke apart while I was twisting it. So what you can do, let's take this as a learning opportunity. Let's see how you can fix it. Just put it back on, separate the two, and loop it around. This is quite difficult because you can get a bit tangled, but once you got it, just cut off a piece and loop it around. Also, you have that piece of wire sticking out, just bend that over or bend it around. Kind of like that. And it's all fixed. And for the final touch, just wrap the bottom. You can also use a bit of wire to secure any loose pieces. But just twist around the bottom here, loop it up, loop it around like that to have a little loop, like a little hole here. And we're going to use that to attach our headpiece together to make it round. So now is your time to fix it. make it pretty. Adjust as you like, and check the length as well. I have a little bow here that I made. I'm going to show you how to make that real quick. This is just the simple pinching and looping method. I've done this in many of my videos, so you can go take a look at those. And then just cut off the end, take a piece of wire, and loop it around to secure this bow that we've created here. You want to twist it pretty tight so that it doesn't come undone. And there you go, you have a beautiful bow. So now you're going to put that on anywhere on your head bow right here. So I'm going to put that one right here on the very back. So when you look at the back of the head, it's going to be like a bow. It's going to cover that part, that clip part. And it's going to look much nicer. You can adjust the length and the size of the bow as you wish. I'm going to take an extra piece of ribbon here. I'm going to wrap it around the center here. This is just so that I can actually tie it together and to cover the wire that I used to secure my bow. Okay, so now as I tied that ribbon and I covered the wire with it, I'm going to take one end and I'm going to loop it through the little hole that we made there, and I'm just going to tie it together as you see there. Make sure that you have the right streamers. You can use two corresponding colors if you'd like, but here I just want to use this one ribbon and tie it together. And there you go. So your headband, your beautiful baby's breath halo is ready.